Good day everyone, welcome back to Ebonigo TV. If you're new, today is the first time watching my video or you have been watching, you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button down there and click the notification bell so that you will find it to post a video. My country people, my topic for today now about this video we don't do for social media for the past 2 days now. Now I want to talk about, you know, say everybody is entitled to his on our own opinion. So my people, I know that many of them don't watch this video where we say this man and mama, they gather, they fight a wife. So now waiting me think about the video now I want to talk about. So waiting me reason, waiting I observe for that video. That woman our person will be say she they pass through depression from mother-in-law hand. Now they see. Now waiting I see for her body be that. You know, say where be women. If woman don't vex, now they talk with it their mind. And what even pay me pass for that video. Now when that baby they cry, where they say, "Mommy, grandma beat you, grandma beat you." Now I tell no say, it get what that woman they pass through for that mother-in-law hand. Because pikin not just carry they talk like that. Pikin not just carry talk. And mother-in-law they wait I want tell now those bad one for his side. Wait I want tell now. Mona know they control na pikin life. Your pikin don't marry, he don't marry. No one they control am. If your pikin will get quarrel, get problem with your wife, or you get quarrel with your husband, as a mother-in-law, what you go do? Now to settle two of them. Not be say you can't dey one side, they did the other one side. No. Not be say you can't support one, they leave one. It don't be like that. Marriage where they see. Marriage. If they talk to, if you want to talk for marriage issue, you get where they talk. But be you mother-in-law, be you anybody. If they carry you sit down, because they tell you, say, see what they happen for their family. Not be say you can't support one, they leave one. If you be saying that this one wrong, talk to her, talk to this one. Because this one, before this one wrong, so you get what it lead to the matter. And the boy for his side, you and your wife get quarrel. The best thing for you to do, now to do video. Put her for Facebook. As since don't be say you post the video for Facebook, now market now. I can't work. Your marriage don't settle, your home don't settle. And your mother will be say, if they say you they do video, your mama will supposed to tell you, say, "My pikin, stop that video, stop that video." Your mama say, "I consider they give you mind." My dear, that your mama, I'm not sure say like you. Because you not say that video, so what they do, say put her for Facebook now, it go they go. Una family name go they go down. And you as a man, you they say Benin women no good, Benin women no good. If you be say you married, one be say no good, not be say everybody say they're bad. You know me say as I did and I say, Benin person don't do me bad. I can't say all the Benin people bad. No. So Benin people, they be say, still do me good. I'm not going to use the bad one. I can't spoil the rest, all of the bad. That statement, they very wrong. It they very wrong. You're not supposed to use that word, say Benin people. Say they're no good. My people, I beg, make we they control our emotion. Make we not they let our emotion, they control us. And mother-in-law, I beg, make we not they play good role for na pikin life. Because fine, as you marry now, you take born the pikin. You don't born the pikin, and the pikin now don't they raise your family. If anything they would happen between your pikin and the family, that is the wife and the children, you go settle around. If you see the way the woman they talk for the video, if they talk say that bunny why take that bunny so way they talk. Now see tell let go, you they tell that pikin wife like that. As a woman, elderly woman, you not supposed to say this our maths, this our tongue, there is power. This our man, there is power. And I make God also more they use our man, they talk better thing. Because what do we say you talk with anger? Now they work out fast. Past the one we say you talk with happiness. And you know say anytime we say they post for Facebook, if they spread past virus. See this man, I'll be say post this video for Facebook. It never even reach 1 hour. The thing don't circulate, follow everywhere. Facebook, social media, it spread past virus. So my people, they are beg. If you are your partner or you are your husband, anything na get one the settlement between ourselves. Because bringing the matter on social media, you know go do help. You know give you any help. Go talk to gossip issue. Make una try to control una emotion. And my sisters there, my loved ones, I beg. Before you enter any marriage, look well. Because marriage not be easy. Marriage not be easy task. If our papa, our mama, they tell you what they pass through for marriage as, you know go want marry. If you hear that name, if you hear anywhere they call that name marriage, you go wrong. 440 now you go wrong. Marriage not easy, oh. It's not easy. Our papa and mama, they be say they spend 100 years for marriage. If they tell you the foolishness and the stupidity where they endure for them, where they enjoy too. You no go want stay. You no go want even enter marriage, say, talking of say stay in it. You no go want stay. Marriage sweet. It's good to marry. It's good to get married, but you go feel enjoy. You go feel tolerate. Because man will be say you married today, tomorrow it can change. Woman be say you married today, tomorrow it can change. You go feel enjoy. Marriage not be waiting be say that they rush. If you rush enter marriage, just you go rush come outside. All these our boys, they be say never reach 20 years, they don't marry. Girls never reach 20 years, they don't marry. Marriage not easy, oh. Marriage not easy. Marriage not easy. Our mama, they be say they spend 100 years for marriage. You think say they enjoy put? They enjoy. Why? Because of the children. They don't want boye. And wait, I want sit talk. Wait, I want tell people. If you won't do anything, as far as you get picking, no do be say you take they do the matter. If you get any quarrel between your wife, no they do it for where children they. Because children where they see, so there's a big keep memory well. Now then you go say these children will come ground. They talk say, I don't like my mother, I like my father. I remember for the other my program why they do for Facebook, they ask people question. What it make some people they like their papa, they leave their mama. They not give me better answer. This kind of thing feel still little. This kind of character feel little. Because when the children don't they grow now, they see what they happen between a papa and a mama now. Don't come they get hatred for one. Don't come they like one, they pass one. I beg my people there, for the benefit of our children, make we know the way we say what they do something for children present. And our mother-in-law there, I beg, if your pikin and his wife or your pikin and his husband get quarrel, not the way you say they settle around. Thank God I get better good mother-in-law. I get better good mother, I still get better good mother-in-law. Thank God for that. Because if some people tell you what they pass you for mother-in-law hand there, you not go won't get, we not go even want marry man be say you get mama. If they tell you what they pass through. If they tell you, my sister, hey, you not go won't get, if you even say any, maybe they go into a relationship because they say the person get mama, you go you're wrong. Because some mother-in-law no yours good at all. Some mother-in-law they wicked. Especially the mother-in-law where they this Europe. Some of the mother-in-law where they this Europe. If they tell you what they do, you not go ever marry anybody who be say mama they Europe. You get no be say I know for a year. The boy mama they stay France. Now he carry the girl, now he carry the boy come. Anything where you happen, he don't fly come. Even they fly past winch, the man, the woman so, the mother of this boy. Any smart don't come, any smart don't come. What did they call for now? No. Now they go they tell their pikin want to live life. And that kind is no good. Mother-in-law where they Europe. Fear them. So for inside, fear them. They go they control their pikin like say tomorrow no day. Mother-in-law, you don't born pikin, you don't born now. The pikin go, you don't start in life, you don't start now. If they invite you come for you, what you go do? As for you, mother-in-law, where they invite to come so. For you to they scatter and they settle them. Talk to this one, talk to this one. The experience where you don't get, they pass out to them. Not obviously you come they side your pikin, they side your pikin. As you decide your pikin so, you they scatter the home with that. If your pikin and his wife or your pikin and your husband get quarrel, if they judge, maybe see now your pikin are wrong. If your pikin are wrong, caution her, see talk to the husband too. Not be say you go your side one, call leave one. That kind of they scatter home. If they scatter home. All those Europe mother-in-law, they're not easy, oh. Those Europe mother-in-law people they get. Some of them not easy at all. Some still better, but the one be say it better no many. It no many. And there's this relationship be say they understand between these Esan people and the Benin people. They know they agree. If it be say maybe the girl now that time be say they go with this boy. If it be say the mother-in-law no like her, you go to say the girl and Benin person. I don't want to see my pikin marry Benin person because of the love be say two of them get together. They go marry. And my people there, waiting me the sense for those people now they tell us say my people, if you they go any relationship, say the papa, the family no like you, my dear, no go, remove your head. Because this kind of thing still happen. If you be say, now waiting happen between these two people be this, nobody know. Nobody really know waiting happen between two of them now. But now waiting me the sense be that. If you dey where Benin person dey, if you make sure Esa, he go say they no be brother, they no be sister. If you dey where Esa person, they make sure Benin, he go say God forbid. Ah, there be one. Una be one. Una not the deceive una say una be one. Edo, Esa, all of us will be one. Will be one. It's just like as I be say I be data person now. I be data, I be robo. Precisely from data, robo they on that data. I can't see Isoko person. I go say no, Isoko person no be data. Isoko person na that thing. Okay, me be data. Isoko person, Isoko different. None of us will be one. Be you any country will be one. And now they live as one. Be on the talk say now so Benin people bad. No country will be say no bad. Everybody bad. If you go Benin, you see bad person. If you go Robona, you see bad. If you see go Calabar, now so you see bad person. So you see good person for all those one. We will not condemn ourselves. Not be only us did this room. We will not condemn ourselves. If you and your wife get problems, settle down between yourself. Because marriage no easy. If person tell you say marriage easy, now lie. Marriage no easy, but it's good. Marriage now waiting person protest. But it's not easy. Before you ready for marriage, you go gather your, before you go marriage, you go gather your heart, you go ready, you go not say, you go feel a you feel tolerate nonsense. Because they tell you what women they pass, women they suffer for marriages. They suffer. Women they suffer well. It takes the grace of God for marriage to work till evening. It's not easy. I beg mother-in-law, they are beg. Make una know they scatter on a pikin home. If your pikin with your wife get if they invite you come, settle there. Don't be say you come, they stand for one side, they leave one side. And the woman now, the way the woman they talk, he love your husband. The way they talk say, you don't feel let go your first pikin. For those of them say don't listen to the video. Me, I supposed to post this video, but because of some kind of things, I don't want to post them. So, but post that video where it happened between two of the books. But I don't post them because I know so many of them don't still watch the video. I just they talk about what me see for the video. Even that woman, the way the woman they talk, that woman, so wait till they talk, say, I know say you don't feel let go your first pikin. You won't let go my pikin, you won't let go my husband, Evans. It no go happen. It no go happen. The woman, they talk, say, make una see me for video. If anything happen to my husband, my mama go home. So show say that woman love your husband. And you know say women, and when they vex, they talk with it in their mind. The woman love your husband. Mother-in-law wey dey Europe abeg. Make una dey let una pikin dey drink water for their husband as they drop cup. Make una dey let pikin una pikin a husband make una dey let they drink water they drop cup abeg. Abeg. Make we love ourselves. If you are your wife, if una get quarrel, make una settle down. Make una settle between ourselves because of the benefit of our children. Abeg. Make una dey carry una matter dey go Facebook or go anywhere. E no go do na good. You go talk to table talk. So my people, I go end my video for here. Anything what you think about this video, drop your opinion, share my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. As you do, may the Lord bless you. My sister, my brother, make una remember, make una not forget. Always keep your home. Not carry your matter, go meet outsider. Not let third party enter your home. If not, it go destroy your home for you. So I'm Heart. Ciao, ciao.